Hello class, good evening. Today we are going to share our paper and our paper with answer. So let us start over here. We all know that your paper consists of 4 sections, that is A, B, C and D. Section A consists of 24 questions. You have to attempt any 20 questions out of it. We will be understanding history and political science. Geography and economics, sir will make you all understand those questions. Section B consists of 22 questions, which you have to attempt 18 questions in it. C consists of 12 questions, where you have to attempt 10. Section D, which is based on map. Both the questions are compulsory. Map questions compulsory hai, and each question carries 8 marks. And of course, there are no negative markings, you can say. इसमें कोई भी negative marking है ही नहीं. So let's start with the paper discussion over here. That is section A. I'll be taking history and political science. Now section A का first question है, which among the following language is written and spoken in Paris and further accepted as a common language of that nation? And your options are English, French, Spanish, German. So your answer for this is B, French. We all know कि पेरिस में हमेशा फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज इसीलिए बोला जाता था दैट इट गेव अ फीलिंग ऑफ एलाइट्स. जो एलिट्स होते थे, जो रिच पीपल होते थे, वो एक फीलिंग आता था कि हम लोग रिच है, हम लोग एरिस्टोक्रेट है, एंड दे यूज्ड टू स्पीक फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज. Okay, your second question over here is, choose the correctly matched pair from the following. A, Otto von Bismarck, he's from Germany. Napoleon, Spain. Giuseppe Garibaldi, that is from France. And Bourbon Kings, that is Italy. So of course we all know कि Otto von Bismarck जर्मनी से थे. बर्बन किंग्स इटली में भी था स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रांस में भी था, बट यहाँ पर इटली, क्योंकि हमको ऑलरेडी नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप में बताया है. बर्बन किंग्स वर इवन फ्रॉम इटली. गिउसेप्पे गैरिबाल्डी फ्रांस से. तो हमारे पास कौन सा ऑप्शन रहता है? दैट इज नेपोलियन. वी ऑल नो नेपोलियन वाज फ्रॉम फ्रांस. गॉट इट? सो योर आंसर इज बी, नेपोलियन, स्पेन. Third one, the main function of Prussian Zollverein was to dash: impose custom duty on imported goods, abolish tariff barriers, reduce custom duties, introduce new rules for trade. So come on, tell me what will be your answer. This question I have made you all write in your notebook as well. Ki the main function of Prussian Zollverein was to do what? Yes, very good. Your answer is B, abolish tariff barriers. Next one, fourth, who among the following leaders formed a secret party called as Young Italy? Even this I made you all write. Just understand students, whatever I made you all write, it is there in your paper. तो बोर्ड्स के लिए भी जो मैंने लिखवाया है, जो पेपर्स में आ रहा है, ये तो तुमको 100% करके जाना है, और टेक्स्ट बुक तो पढ़ना ही है हमको. So your answer for who among the following leaders formed a secret society called as Young Italy? Your option is Victor Emmanuel II, Giuseppe Mazzini, Count Cavour, Giuseppe Garibaldi. So of course we all know कि Young Italy a secret society किससे बनाया था? B, Giuseppe Mazzini. Your fifth question is geography. Sixth B, geography. Seventh B, eighth B, ninth B, 10th B. 10th तक पूरा geography है. Now 11th one देखते हैं. Which two languages among the following are prominently spoken by Belgium nationals? French and English, Dutch and French, Russian and Dutch, Russian and French. Students, Russian आने का तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं है. ना ही रशियन डच, ना ही रशियन फ्रेंच, ये दो तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हम बेल्जियम का बात कर रहे हैं. एंड इंग्लिश वहां पे बोला नहीं जाता था, क्योंकि वहां पे या तो डच बोलते थे, या तो फ्रेंच बोलते थे, या तो जर्मन बोलते थे. सो ऑफ कोर्स योर आंसर गोज फॉर बी, डच एंड फ्रेंच. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 12th, Belgium has worked on the principle of dash: majoritarianism, accommodation, decentralization, none of this. Majoritarianism, that is your answer for Sri Lanka. Decentralization, your answer is for federalism, India. तो आंसर क्या रहेगा? बी, अकोमोडेशन. बेल्जियम अकोमोडेशन के लिए ही गया था. बेल्जियम डिसाइडेड नॉट टू हैव फाइट्स इन द कंट्री, सो ही वेंट फॉर अकोमोडेशन. नेक्स्ट, a warlike conflict between two opposite groups within a country is called as dash. ये तो हमने डिस्कस भी किया था पहले में हमने डिस्कस भी किया था. warlike conflict between two opposite groups within a country is called as dash. Cold War? No. Terrorist attack? No. Your answer is C, civil war. Of course. जब दो opposite group एक दूसरे के साथ fight करते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Civil war. Ethnic war तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. Which is federal division of power? 14th one. A is government at the provincial or regional level. B is legislature, executive and judiciary. C is among different social groups. D is political parties, pressure groups and movement. When I talk about federal division of power, so your answer is A, government at the provincial or regional level. 15th, which country is an example of coming together federation? Belgium, USA, Sri Lanka, India. This we have even studied and I made you all right. So your answer is B, USA. Coming together federation. छोटे छोटे टुकड़े थे, छोटे छोटे cities, you can say states थे USA. पहले सिर्फ अमेरिका था, ये छोटे छोटे states से बना है United States of America. So it is called as coming together federation. Next, who can make laws relating to subject mentioned in the concurrent list? A, local government. B, state government. C, union government. D, both B and C. तो concurrent list में दोनों आंसर्स आएंगे, state and union government. Which language has status of the national language in India? इंडिया में कौन सा national language का status है? तमिल, हिंदी, English, none of this. So you can say your answer is D, none of this, because कोई भी national language है ही नहीं इंडिया का. अगर एक भी language को national language बना दिया, there would be fights in the country. So we don't have any national language in India. Next one. Major step towards decentralization in India was taken up. ये भी मैंने लिखवाया हुआ है. 1992, 93, 91, 90. Your answer is very simple. Decentralization start हुआ था 1992 में. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 सब political science नहीं है, geography है. प्रवीण सर डिस्कस करेंगे. We'll start with section B, 25th, assertion. Many members of the clergy in Poland began to use language as a weapon of national resistance. This is the assertion. तो reason क्या बताया है? The use of Polish came to be seen as a symbol of struggle against the Russian dominance. So tell me the answer. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D में हमेशा आंसर सेम ही रहेंगे. We have to choose in those answer. So of course over here your answer is A. Your assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Yes, बराबर ना. जो भी members थे, many members of the clergy in Poland, they started to use their own language of national residence because they wanted freedom and they wanted to fight against the Russian dominance. Come on, 26 देख लेते हैं. Which of the following aspects best signifies the image in 1848 in France? Peasant uprising, Club of Thinkers, Hall of Versailles, Frankfurt Parliament. Of course, your answer is A. Peasants uprising. Next, when Ireland was forcibly incorporated into the United Kingdom. When was Ireland forcibly incorporated into United Kingdom? 1798, 1801, 1800, 1799. So the answer is 1798. ये भी मैंने लिखवाया हुआ है, नोटबुक खोलो. Which type? ये तो ज्योग्राफी है. 29 भी ज्योग्राफी है, 30 भी ज्योग्राफी, 31 भी, 32 भी, 32 तक तो ज्योग्राफी है. 33 देख लेते हैं. What according to this cartoon is the relationship between democracy and concentration of power? ये कार्टून को देखो और आंसर दो. What according to this cartoon is the relationship between democracy and concentration of power? A is democracy increases stability and decisiveness. Democracy opposes the idea of concentration of powers. C. Democracy promotes the idea of concentration of power. And D. Democracy accommodates social diversity. So your answer is B. Democracy opposes the ideas of concentration of power. Of course, सिर्फ एक जन के हाथ में power देके क्या मतलब? When you are living in a democratic country, you have to divide powers. Power को divide करना बहुत जरूरी है. 34. Which of the following? एक minute. Which of the following is not a valid reason for power sharing? ये भी मैंने पढ़ाया उस दिन. Power sharing helps to reduce tension. Power sharing brings political stability. Power sharing is essential for majoritarianism. Power sharing is the part and parcel of democracy. Your answer is C. Power sharing is essential for majoritarianism. 35th. Sorry, 35. Assertion. Community government in Belgium is elected by one language community. ये भी मैंने सिखाया उस दिन. Reason. Community government helped in resolving conflicts between linguistic group. So tell me ABCD में से क्या रहेगा? B. Both assertion and reason are correct. Assertion अपने जगह पे right है, reason अपने जगह पे right है, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Come on. 36. Which of the following is not correctly paired? Sri Lanka got independence in 1948. Okay. Act declared Sinhalese as the official language 1956. Civil war in Sri Lanka ended in 2011. Above all are correctly paired. No. All above are not correct. Your answer is C. Civil war ended in Sri Lanka 2011. No, it is still going on, you can say. क्योंकि अभी तक जो तमिलियंस को रिस्पेक्ट मिलना चाहिए वो अभी तक वहां पे मिला नहीं है. 37. Third tier of government is known as local government. I made you all to study even this question. The third tier of government is called as local government. Yes, but is it making democracy weak? They have given you the reason over here. Is it making democracy weak? No. Third tier of government is making democracy strong. So your answer is C. Assertion is right, but reason is incorrect. क्योंकि रीजन इनकरेक्ट क्यों है? क्योंकि डेमोक्रेसी इज नॉट मेकिंग इट वीक, डेमोक्रेसी इज मेकिंग इट स्ट्रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट 38. असर्शन. जिला परिषद चेयरपर्सन इज द पॉलिटिकल हेड ऑफ द जिला परिषद. ये भी मैंने उस दिन करवाया था तुम लोगों को. रीजन. मेयर इज द हेड ऑफ म्युनिसिपैलिटीज. ABCD में से क्या आएगा? B. Both assertion and reason are correct at that own place. Assertion अपने जगह पे सही है, reason अपने जगह पे सही है, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Got it? Identify the Prime Minister of India and the name of alliance headed by him. Who is he? It is A. Atal Bihari Vajpayee and he is from NDA, National Democratic Alliance. A वाला आंसर है इसका. How many languages? 40th question. How many languages are included in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution? Open your notebook. I've made you all write even this. जिससे जिससे लिखा रहेगा, जिससे जिससे मेरे नोट्स पड़े रहेंगे, उनको आउट ऑफ है. मैंने जो जो लिखवाया है वो है. So your answer for 48th is C, 22. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 is geography political science. Section C. It is your case study. Case study तो बहुत easy है. Question देख लेते हैं. During the middle of the 19th century, Italy was divided into how many states? So easy. Italy को कितने states में divide किया था? Your answer is B, 7. 48. Who among the following did not play a role in the process of unification of Italy? Your answer is A, Napoleon. Napoleon, why will he play an important role in the unification of Italy? Because Napoleon was from France. And ये तो Italy का unification है. Who among the following led the process of the unification of Italy? Start किसने किया था unification of Italy ने? Venetin, Papal State, Sardinia, Piedmont, or none of this? Of course, C, Sardinia, Piedmont. ये भी लिखवाया हुआ है, book खोलो. 50. What do you know about Giuseppe Mazzini? Of course, he was not a Russian, French, and Prussian revolutionary. Of course, Giuseppe Mazzini कहाँ का था? Italy का था. So your answer is C. He was an Italian revolutionary. Case study 2. Case study 2 देख लेते हैं. It is all about power sharing. In how many tiers is power shared in India? India follows decentralization. State, local, national. So your answer is C, 3. 3 tiers में India का power shared है. Next. What is power sharing? What is power sharing? It is a system of check and balance. It is the separation of power at different level. It is a kind of balancing power, or it is called as the spirit of democracy. Your answer is D, spirit of democracy. 53rd. Which is not one of the form of power sharing? Horizontal, vertical, division of power among social group, division of power between people. Of course, your answer is D, division of power between people. अरे उस दिन मैंने ये सब पढ़ाया था तुमको. अच्छे से पढ़ा रहेगा तो ये सब रहेगा तुम्हारे पास. 54th. Power is shared among different political parties that considers different ideologies and social group, regional autonomy, different candidates, instability of political order. Your answer is A, different ideologies and social group. Please read your paragraph properly. You will get each and every answer over there. Your paper is so easy and simple. You should get out of marks over here. आगे का तो सब हिस्ट्री का नहीं है. Geography and इसका है economics. Okay, thank you students. Thank you very much. Please go through all your answers properly and study well. Thank you.